Hi guys! Welcome back to Jessica Crypto, the place where we explain the world of crypto. Today, we're starting at the beginning with a guide for all you beginners out there, understanding Bitcoin. So buckle up and let's dive into the basics. First things first, what is Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, often referred to as digital gold. It was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Think of it as a form of money, but entirely digital. Now, the magic behind Bitcoin is blockchain technology. Imagine a digital ledger that records every transaction in a secure and transparent way. That's the blockchain. It's like a superhero sidekick, ensuring the integrity and immutability of all Bitcoin transactions. Let's break down how Bitcoin works. Instead of a central authority like a bank, transactions on the Bitcoin network are verified by a decentralized network of computers, often referred to as miners. These miners use their computing power to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return they're rewarded with new Bitcoins. To get started with Bitcoin, you need a digital wallet. Think of it as your personal vault for storing and managing your Bitcoins. Each wallet comes with a unique address. It's like your crypto ID. This address is what you share with others when you want to receive Bitcoin. Now, how do you get your hands on Bitcoin? You can buy it on cryptocurrency exchanges using traditional currency. Popular platforms like Coinbase or Binance allow you to exchange your dollars, euros, or other fiat currencies for Bitcoin. And when you want to sell, you can do the reverse. Many people see Bitcoin not just as a currency, but also as a potential investment. Its limited supply, capped at 21 million Bitcoins, is often cited as a reason why some view it as a hedge against inflation and a store of value, similar to gold. Before you leap into the Bitcoin universe, it's important to understand the risks. The price of Bitcoin can be volatile, and the market can be influenced by various factors. So it's wise to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to Bitcoin. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow beginners, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy exploring in the world of digital currency.